Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, chocolate enthusiasts. In this video, I will show you how to make unique chocolates. We'll explore simple techniques to transform ordinary chocolate into extraordinary treats. The secret to truly unique chocolates begins with selecting premium ingredients. Always start with high-quality chocolate, ideally with at least 60% cocoa solids, for the best flavor and texture. Proper tempering is crucial for that beautiful, glossy finish and a satisfying snap, preventing any dull, streaky appearance. You can achieve this by gently melting your chocolate using a double boiler or in the microwave. Now, let's dive into creative flavor pairings that will make your chocolates truly stand out. Think beyond the usual and experiment with unexpected combinations. You can infuse your melted chocolate with aromatic herbs such as fresh rosemary or peppermint for a sophisticated twist. For a warming sensation, add a pinch of spices like chili powder, cardamom, or cinnamon. And for a burst of freshness, incorporate bright fruit zests like orange, lemon, or lime. Just remember to add these flavorings after the chocolate is melted and tempered, ensuring even distribution. Next, let's talk about adding exciting textures and inclusions to elevate your chocolate experience. The interplay of different textures can make each bite incredibly interesting. Consider mixing in crunchy nuts like toasted pistachios, almonds, or pecans for a satisfying bite. For a chewy element and a touch of natural sweetness, add dried fruits such as cranberries, apricots, or cherries. And for a delightful sweet and savory contrast, sprinkle in some sea salt flakes or even crushed pretzels. Aim for about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of inclusions per 1 pound of chocolate. Finally, let's focus on shaping and decorating your unique chocolates to make them visually appealing. Presentation is key to making your creations truly special. Utilize silicone molds of various shapes and sizes to create professional-looking chocolates, from simple squares to intricate designs. For an artistic flair, drizzle contrasting colored chocolate or white chocolate over your finished pieces. And to add a touch of elegance, garnish with edible glitter, gold leaf, or a sprinkle of cocoa nibs. Allow your chocolates to set completely, ideally for at least 30 minutes, before unmolding and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.